I'm in New York City, where e-bikes have officially taken over. From commuters to delivery drivers, even tourists, everyone's hopping on for a juiced-up ride. Shopping for an e-bike can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options on the market. To help narrow things down, it's useful to focus on what really matters for your needs. For example, the Aventon Level 3 stands out as a solid, all-around choice for city riders, offering balance of performance, comfort, and value. Here are the key factors to consider when choosing the right e-bike for you. Number 1, security features. E-bikes aren't cheap, so security matters, and modern e-bikes should come with high-tech anti-theft features built in. The Aventon Level 3 has an Aventon Control Unit, or ACU, on board that brings smartphone technology and theft deterrence. It also has GPS tracking, motion alerts, a built-in alarm, and even remote monitor lock. Pair that with a good U-lock and you're ahead of the game. Number 2, battery life and range. The Aventon Level 3 gets around 50 to 70 miles per charge. Realistically, in stop-and-go city traffic, plan on closer to 30 to 40 miles. Most e-bike batteries take 3 to 6 hours for a full charge. The good news is virtually all e-bike batteries are removable, so you can pop the battery out and take it with you. Number 3, weight and portability. The Level 3 weighs about 67 pounds. For comparison, the average non-electric road bike weighs about 20 pounds, and the average mountain bike, 30 pounds. Number 4, design and ride feel. Looks matter, but so does comfort. This bike has a suspension fork, a cushy seat, and an upright riding position designed for comfort. Not to mention the adjustable stem so you can ride and lower the handlebar to fit your height. Plus, it comes in a step-through frame, which makes it easy to hop on and off. You also get built-in lights, fenders, and a rear rack. Key features for daily riders. The average e-bike gives you around 250 to 500 watts of power. With this bike, you're looking at a 750-watt rear hub motor, great for hills, acceleration, and hauling loads. This is a Class 2 e-bike, meaning it has pedal assist and throttle, up to 20 miles an hour. But with the app, you can unlock to Class 3 mode and go up to 28 miles an hour, where it's legal. So what do you actually need an e-bike for? Commuting? Go for something like the Level 3. Hauling groceries or kids? Check out a cargo e-bike. It's got space, power, and even footbeds for passengers. Weekend rides? A cruiser or folding e-bike might be more your style. E-bikes are changing the game, especially in cities. So if you've been on the fence, let this be your sign. They're fast, eco-friendly, and way more practical than you might think. And with e-bikes like the Aventon Level 3 raising the bar, the quality and features out there are better than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to wear a helmet.